Hello everyone, this is the Reaper That Sucks with episode 2 of the meme builds. Today we're doing the shotgun sniper. Well, the shotgun sniper meme build was mostly like this. Has a scope, this has this loadout attachment, and a laser, and with the laser you can and cannot use the laser. It's the same, it doesn't matter. As long as you have the scope and the belt here. The difference here is that this is the only weapon you can have, and you can turn it into just a sniper, basically. Even though it doesn't do that much damage at farther range, I have seen other people do it. For some reason, a lot of the OG crates map, I'm using the shotgun sniper tactic here. Of course, it's still a shotgun, it does less damage there, but it's more effective now at longer range. So we're going to try the shotgun sniper tactic, and this is definitely a meme build. I mean, the last one with my double enforcers, that one can technically not be a meme build, but you can actually fire it pretty far. As you can see, some of the black marks hitting, but it does have fall off. So we're gonna try a game now with the shotgun sniper. I'm gonna refresh here. And of course, we're doing team deathmatch as always. Sorry, my little screen is. All right, so we're gonna go to OG containers. It's full. Oh, come on. Well, I gotta refresh again. Bro, all the OG containers maps, they're just locked. And it's full. But there's like 10 games of OG containers that are full. Okay, maybe this one will just have bots, but here we go. Even though there's like 3 of them, I bet this is like a duels match, and I'm just gonna get kicked. I swear I'm just gonna get kicked. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get kicked. Don't you dare freaking. In this one. Oh god, no. Oh, he was right there. There was. First kill for the meme. Nope, nope. Got that. Oh, okay. Okay. This meme build is just... I can't tell if it's good. And I got shot. Okay. This definitely seems... Oh, this man is either botting or something. Where is he? Where he go? Oh, he's over there. Did you get him? No. Oh, come on. I was testing how far you can hit somebody out with this thing. Oh, there's 2 of them now. Oh! Bro, how close was I? Not that close. I told you this. Apparently, this tactic is still a thing. Bruh. I'm telling you, the shotgun sniper is a quick. I think that freaking proves it. Can I do it on top of here? Okay, I think he's AFK. No, he's not. How much damage? Oh, he's using my tactics. You know it's good when they're using yo tactics. Yeah. Got him. Bro, I died to a man with a pistol. Okay. That was not... Oh, we got a team now. Oh, he's behind. My kill, damn it. That was 2 shots. Bro, okay, I definitely need to look more in this. How long is this game? Okay, it's almost done. Oh my god, he's using that one. This meme build. Come on, I can get 1-to-1. I'm getting that 1-to-1. Can I get first place 1-to-1 like last time? Bro, then he's just gonna spam me with... Okay, they're over there. Bro, shotgun sniper me. Bro, I swear. He's over there. No, no, he's not. No, he won't. Bro, the screen. What the? What? No, he got me there. You got me there, boys. Well, that's the shotgun sniper. Well, I'll probably do one more match. Let's see. Alright, if I can control it and just change how long it is. If it's 15 minutes, then I'll just make another one, I guess. It looked like a 15-minute match to me. Bro, why? This always, oh, it's 15 minutes. I'm gonna do it now. Oh yeah, you know the same thing. I mean, I could use grenades and stuff, but it's a shotgun freaking sniper, man. Don't see any of them so far. Like, oh, yeah, he got gun. He got an actual gun instead of the shotgun sniper, man. Can I get, like, actual long range with this? Like, I'm testing it through the window, because I see that, like, one of them. Hey, what? Don't kill me. Bruh, one of them's definitely gonna come up. Where are they? Damn it, if I kill him with this is gonna be the first meme strat ever. I'm gonna hit this shotgun sniper. Oh. Yeah, it was a grenade. So far, I haven't got a single kill with this thing. Oh. Bro, look how much damage this thing does. I don't think I'm just good with this. I should move in other directions. Oh yeah, they're going in the building. Oh. Got him. Bro. He's dead in the spawn like 5 meters. Oh, I took revenge. Bro, look at my speed. I'm second place. Oh, you don't challenge me, boy. I'm shotgun. Don't mess with me with my shotgun. Let's go. Come on. I hit him twice. I heard the sound. Heard him. It's doing like half the damage. It has to be. There is no way this thing is doing that. That shotgun sniper, man. What are you? This is oh, come on. I think that man is. Okay, it does do headshot damage. I think. Bruh, shotgun sniper. Bro, I told you this thing is this strategy is freaking working, man. You just killed him. He just killed his teammate. Bro, this man's like using an actual gun. Can't be good. Bro! How is that working? How is this working? Can I get him? Hey, no! Don't mess with me! Is he throwing knives at me, man? Don't mess with me, I'm the shotgun. And he got me there. He got me everything. Oh, no, no! Ah! Revenge! Oh. Ah! This freaking no! It's always when I don't pay attention to the... And... I got spawn killed. I got freaking spawn killed, man. Don't mess with the meme build! Don't mess with the freaking meme build, man. Wait, did he just try to suicide bomb me? Oh, come on! It's always the moments where like this where I'm like, oh. Bro, he killed me there. Bro, only 2 shots from here? How? There's a freaking shotgun. Well, maybe there, probably. But I still...
You could talk to...
Bro. I'm just paranoid of that area, man. Don't mess with the shotgun sniper, man.
That's what you should know.
Bro, that killed him. If that freaking killed him, man. That would have been the funniest me. Oh! Did he just kill his own teammate? You see? Ah! That killed him! How did that hit a headshot? Bruh. That is definitely going in the video. I don't care if this video is like 42 minutes long. Bro. This thing. I spotted this thing just as a big move. This thing. How? Think that's good? This person coming up. Ah! I was at incredibly low health. How did... Bruh, can't miss. The shotgun freaking sniper. Bruh. Okay, this is 7 minutes more. Can't miss with this build. It's too funny. Oh, I hit him. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. I want to shoot him through the window. Shoot him through the goddamn window. Come on. Through the window. Ah, yes! Yes! Yes, man. Don't mess with the mean man. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh, I almost... What? Bro, there's some instances where I just see like, oh, I'm doing as much as a piece of dandruff. No, oh, he got there. He ain't playing games no more. Don't miss with this. Oh, did he just... That man just... Yeah. Yeah, don't come out here. Bro. And no.
Oh my god.
Bro, everybody's using this gun now. I don't know why. It's the perfect meme weapon. And we're winning. Nope, nope. Not this time. Okay, yeah, it's full. Come on, get the freaking meme. Get the freaking meme. Do it again.
Don't come upstairs.
Ah, yes.
Told you.
Bruh. Bruh. How did that... Sometimes... I see shots where they're at full health and just 2 shots to kill them. Bruh, how much damage did that do? Oh, he's almost dead. Did he just... Bro, it was a teammate. Oh. My own team is kicking. No, they're free kills, man. Nice. Is he shooting me? He's seen the teammates from past and present.
Oh my god, there's 13 people up there.
Did I kill them? Yeah, a little less than 13. Don't freaking miss this shotgun. Bro, this thing's left in the shotgun. I would use it as. Bro, that was definitely a shotgun snipe. You cannot. Bro, are we gonna win this? There is no way we can win this. There's no way.
Oh my bad.
Don't worry, I got this. I'm legend. I am truly beauty, man. Bro, he's gonna walk up. Snipe. Got him from that far. Who needs an AK? When you got it? It's just the Bro, there's free. Was that? Nice. Bro, I can't believe I got that kill full. Just, keep firing. No!
over here. Man, watch out, watch out.
Bro, there's no... Do I have a positive? I have a positive kill death ratio. This is the... Bruh! Triple kill! Where's the freaking meme sniper weapon? Bruh.
Bro, I shot myself.
Bro, that was definitely 100%. I would call a shotgun sniper. Bro, we're tied. We are not gonna win this. I'm just telling you.
Look upstairs, look upstairs.
There's that. No! We are not winning this.
Come upstairs, please.
Bro, shotgun sniper. You want your fucking me up here, man? Yes.
Don't go up, don't go up.
Don't mess with shotgun sniper. Come on. I want to get another really funny
Don't go up,
snuff.
there's two people up.
There is no way we're winning.
Hostage?
There's no way.
Hey, bro, man. Come on, let's go, let's go.
But what the f- Did he just... Bro, come on. Come on, we got this. No, we don't. I don't think we got this. I just heard that grin. I heard that shotgun shot.
3 guys.
I've been standing there. Ah, we didn't do it. We didn't do it, guys, but the real victory is we have, let me check that. 2 more kills than ever. We have 2 less kills than the top person on their team. Now, that's the true victory. Oh, we have less deaths. We have less deaths than him, right?
Pretty fun.
Okay, I'm just gonna say the shotgun sniper is a lot better than the double enforcer, probably. But there was some funny moments with the shotgun sniper. I wasn't expecting it to work that well, so I would say that one's 9 out of 10 or 10, even a 10 out of 10, because that was pretty good actually. Or it could have been that they were just bad, but we were really close. We were really close. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and time to end.